With all apps on Android at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to quit all the apps on Android at once, there are basically two steps. So first is just tapping on the system navigation over here, and here you'll be able to see the three buttons over here at the home screen. So just tap on this icon over here at the left and you'll be able to just swipe any of the app that you want to quit one by one. And if you want to delete it or quit all the apps at once, all you have to do is just tap on this cross icon and you'll be able to see that all apps have been gone. Next, what you can do is just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down to apps, then tap on permissions and then tap on background auto start. And here you can see you can just toggle off these options and you'll not be able to see these apps in the background. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.